Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by looking at the title, we are going to be doing a quick DIY. So if you guys want to see the ending of it, please stay tuned. But before we get into the video, I just want to say that I'm sorry I've been off of YouTube for a while. I had a summer class, a fashion summer class. Oh my god, it was so stressful, but I tried my best to work hard to get it whatever grade I wanted in there. And and now I think I'm back on here, and we are going to be dropping videos to video. Like, let's just say we're going back to our regular schedule, and let's just get into the VIDI. What? No, how do I spell video? VIDEO video. Okay. Before I start the video, before we get into the video, I just want to say that if you are new, if you're just watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so. Keep the family growing. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any time. You won't be able to miss any video from now on. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And also you can leave please watch my other videos by just clicking on my name, and I have a plenty of videos on there for you to watch. And if you have any recommendation, like any DIY ideas that you want to see on my channel, please comment below this video, and I will try my best to do it. And I think let's just get into the video. Okay, the things that I'll be using today, let's get the paper out. I have this if you, I post this on my Instagram. If you, my nails are good, but if you follow me on Instagram, I post this bow tie hairband, whatever you want to call it. All I know is that I always try to make a bow tie, so but it came out this way. I tried my best, so I was like, you know what, I gotta redo it again, and for the second time, to see how I'm gonna do. Okay, so the things that I will be needing in this video are a small fabric. This time I'm not gonna do a big bow tie or something. So it's a small fabric, a leftover fabric from what because I did something. I have a pen for some reason, I don't know why. Measure tape, pins, and scissors, of course, to cut the fabric. And let's just get into the video. Let me show you how I'm gonna lay the fabric and cut it on. Okay guys, I went on and I cut the fabric that I will be knitting. Just like I said, I will not be making a big bow tie, so I went on and just cut a small piece. This the length, but also I'll be cutting, like I'll just cut how long I want the bow tie to be. So I'm just gonna cut from here to here, because that's how much fabric I think I need. And I'm just gonna cut this right here. Okay, so this is what I have, and I think I have to cut this side too as well, because both sides has to be open. Come on. Okay, both sides are open. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna fold the fabric, like bring it together in the middle to see. Okay, I'm gonna start with that side first. I haven't glued anything yet. I just want to see how it's gonna look. when how it's gonna look when I start gluing. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with the glue gun is, oh shit. Okay. Excuse my language, but I think we're in trouble. Thank God I hurry up. Yo. The glue gun is already okay, I don't need the glue stick yet. So what I'm gonna do is that in order to to bring this two sides together, I'm gonna use my glue gun. I didn't want to use the sewing machine because from the last one that I made, the thread was showing up and I didn't want that. So I went on and followed this lady from YouTube. She used a glue gun. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna paste a glue gun here. Hopefully it works. Here. Oh, come on. And I'm just gonna, this is the scariest ever. I burned myself. I hate it. Yeah, I already know this is not gonna come the way I want it, but we're just gonna give it a try. And I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. Just paste the glue gun at the end of the fabric, and I'm gonna also bring it in the middle to make it to just okay. Yo, this is not going the way I expected it to go. Just yeah, bad. What a bad first try using a glue gun on a bow tie. So I'm just gonna let it cool down a little, and then this is how this is how it looks on the outside. So after that, what I'm gonna do, I don't have to wait for it to dry. I'm just gonna fold these two sides again and to bring it in the middle. Bring in the middle. Come on. And use my glue gun. I think I'm just gonna use the glue to just stick it right here. Yep. Don't try this at home, people. Don't try this at home. What a bad experience I'm having, but I'm still gonna try it. Gonna bring this other side here, and this is how it's looking. This is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it cool down, and so in order for me to make it, oh crap, yeah, it's a fail DIY, you guys, but just have to let it cool down. I don't want to press on no anything. So the next thing that I have to do is use the leftover fabric to cut a little piece to just tie it in the middle, and Come on. Why am I not cutting anything straight, people? God. Nothing's working good for me. I'm just back on here and he said, nah, not today. You left us without making any video. So you think this we're gonna work for you? Okay, this is what I'm gonna need. Ooh. I'm running out of glue, so I'm just gonna stick this one in also. Yo, this table. Yep. There. I just have to bring the other side. Come on. Yeah, by myself, by myself. There. I'm not gonna wait for it to like glue yourself down because I have to finish this right now. So after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the bow tie in the middle. But first, wait, hold on. I have to like, you guys know how a bow tie is, or any hairband, bow, whatever. Something like that. I have to pinch it in or something. It's supposed to look like this. Yep, what a fail. Okay, let's just try it. I'm gonna tie it up instead of using a glue gun. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Yeah. Come on. Yo, this is crazy. Like, why don't you just turn it to the glue? Yeah, something like this. But why is it one side bigger than the other? Yeah. But if you are a beginner, this is one way to make a bow tie. You can just give it a try and see if it's gonna work for you. But I think it's easy if you're not filming or anything. Because if you're not filming, you're gonna be focused on what you're doing. So I'm just gonna place a little glue around it so that it won't come out, and let it cool down, and then cut out the leftover fabric. Okay. Once it dry, you just have to cut the leftover fabric, and that's gonna be it. I'm blowing as is fire. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the fabric, the leftover fabric, and we're gonna be done. I think I'll make it a better, like, if I'm just like focused on making a bow tie instead of recording. Ooh. Yeah. And this is the result. What a fail. But it came out better. It just, on here is bigger than expected. I think that's it. That's how you make a bow tie. An easy DIY. If you have an event coming up and you want some bow tie, let me know in the comment section. And we are done. Don't forget this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment if you want to. And this the glue gun, of course, you can get it. I got mine from Walmart at a cheap price, and the glue stick as well. You can also get it at Walmart. They have different sizes for every glue gun, or even online. They have it on Amazon. Both of these things you can get it from Amazon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video. Ciao.